Tuesday, June 6th, 2024. Saint Norbert. Focus. You are not far from the kingdom of God. Seeing that Jesus could answer difficult questions with ease, an inquisitive scribe perhaps also wanted to test his wisdom. And so he put the question about the most important of all the commandments. Jesus identified the two commandments that define and hold the key to all the others. And the scribe fully agreed with him. Still, Jesus said the scribe was not far from the kingdom of God. Did the scribe lack something that kept him a little away from God's kingdom? When Zacchaeus resolved to give half his goods to the poor and restore fourfold to those he had cheated, Jesus said, "Salvation has come to this house." Here Jesus equated salvation with entering the kingdom of God. However, in Matthew chapter 19, verses 21 to 22, the young man who kept all the commandments preferred to cling to his great wealth rather than leave it to those in need and follow Christ. Are we like the scribe and the rich young man who knew and followed every law, yet lacked the loving and giving nature of God? Is there something or someone dearer to our heart than God? Saint Norbert, born into a noble family, lived a worldly life till he had a Saint Paul-like experience. He then left everything and became a holy priest. Fruit. I will strive to love God and neighbor in a way that is pleasing to God in action.